Hey there humans, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me over on this side of the YouTube. For those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Becky. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video and I hope you guys stick around. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this eyelash look. It is the half eyelash style, also known as the corner eyelash, and yeah, this is how it came out. So I'm going to go through a tutorial with you guys step by step just to show you how you can achieve this look. It is super easy and it is super quick. Okay, so right, let's do this. So I'm going to grab my first tool, which is the eyelash curler that I have, and this is the DIOR Backstage eyelash curler. You don't have to use this one or get this one. You can just use any eyelash curler that you have, and I'm just going to stretch my eyelashes basically. So I'm going to start from the tip, just put my hair back, and I'm going to start from the tip all the way to the eyelid, and just kind of gently clamp and stretch and kind of clamp and stretch. So clamp, and then I'm going to stretch, and then clamp and stretch. So yeah, so it should look something like this, but gently, because you don't want it to be too curly, because you are going to be putting falsies on the corner, so you don't want it to be like super curly so that you can't lay the eyelash on properly. So I'm going to be using this brand. This packet is from Amazon, and I will leave all the information down for you below. And I've been using this for quite a while. As you can tell, I am needing to restock very soon. So I'm going to be just taking one strip. That's one strip of eyelash. I won't be using both strips. And this is what it looks like close up. The eyelash, they are quite long. You can get a shorter length eyelash. It would work as well. But you also want an eyelash that's kind of long and then it goes into short, just so that your eyelash will be short and then it will blend and go out into a longer length. So I'm going to bend it in half here, and it should look like something like this. And then I'm going to take a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to cut where I think the middle is. So that should be the middle for me. Then I'm going to swap them round, and as you can see, I've got like the longer length into the shorter length, and the shorter length I want it to be towards the inner corner of my eye, and the longer length to be the outer part of my eye. So I'm going to just put some glue on. I am using bonding glue. This disclaimer, this is not advised, but I prefer using hair bonding glue to put on my eyelashes sometimes. If not, my favorite brand would be the Duo eyelash glue, but in the black color. You can also get it in the transparent color, but I prefer the black color because if I make any mistakes, I can kind of like cover it with eyeliner or eyeshadow or anything like that. Just find it easier. So I'm going to be taking my tweezers and then trying to get into the middle. I'm just going to blow down the glue here, but I'll be taking the tweezers just to use. I do have an eyelash tool, and I have no idea where it is right now. But yeah, once you've blown on the glue, probably give it about count to 30 seconds, then it gets kind of dry and almost tacky. Then you can start to place on top of your lash line. So you can kind of do it two ways. So you can go right to the edge if you'd like, so that maybe the longer length can be right to the end, or you can leave like half an inch of your eyelash from the outer part. You can do that and then kind of come inwards with the falsie by half an inch and then place on top of your lash line. But here today I've just put it right onto the end, and it should look like something like this so far. And then I'm just going to gently press down with the tweezers. Just be careful you don't poke yourself in the eye. Just be really careful, especially if you don't like things like near your eyes. Just be careful. And you can also grab another mirror, like I'm doing here, so that you can get a closer, and you can almost like look down and kind of see precisely the eyelash, your eyelash and the falsie together, and kind of gently press down. So this is what it looks like so far, and you can see the difference. I'm just going to make sure that it's super secure, because no one likes a flying eyelash fly away, do they? So I'm just making sure it's super secure, being very careful. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side, and I'll just blow down the glue for about 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's so much better when you have an extra mirror and you can just like kind of look down. I just find it so much easier. And just gently press down, gently. And sometimes the glue will get attached to the tool, so make sure you kind of like wipe that off as you go along, just so that the tweezers doesn't get attached to the eyelash itself, because then you'll be stuck. I just find it super easy to do this look nowadays, guys. I love a good strip of an eyelash, but sometimes I never really cut mine down, and I just found it really irritating in the corners, like, or near the corner of my eye. And yeah, I've just been doing this look for quite a few years now. I'm just so happy with it every single time. I feel like it really brings out my eyes. So then I'm just going to finish up the bottom lash and then the inner corner lash of my eyes. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift mascara, and if you want to see a full video on that, I do have another video that you can go ahead and watch if you want to see me and unboxing and a whole video on the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift mascara. Right then guys, so this is what it looks like close up and personal, and I've just added some white eyeliner underneath my eyes, and yeah, this is the finished look. I'm so pleased with it, I'm so happy with it, and I really hope you guys found this super easy video for you. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments on what you think and what's your go-to eyelashes. Let me know if you want me to try any other brands or check any other brands out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. If you want to keep up with me offline from here, then you can follow me over on my Instagram, follow me over on my TikTok, and you can click the like button, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!